You got the sauce, and it's dripping everywhere you are.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just got out of the shower, so my hair looks all long and wet and good. But I just wanted to quickly open, you can see the shadow of my camera. Maybe I didn't choose the best spot to film, but you live and you learn. Well, as you can tell, I'm outside and the sun is setting, but I'm just coming to you today with a quick unboxing. So I kind of got super impatient and tore into it a little bit, but I was like, I could do an unboxing. Why not? So I'm just going to open up these new shoes that just came in. So let's get started. Oh, so pretty. So as you can see, there's a little holographic swoosh. So holographic swoosh. Don't mind my camera and my hydro flask in the shadow. These are the Vapor Max Utility in all black. Vapor Max Utility, all black. Woo! I've been wanting some normal Vapor Maxes, but I wanted the all black ones. I didn't want the ones with the gray, so I just waited. I was thinking about getting the ones with the purple and with the light purple, and they still have some in stock, so I might have to just cop some. I got these, I think they were like $220 or something like that. A little bit expensive, but I kind of been saving up for some good shoes, so here we go. Ooh, has a little carrying case for the shoe. Little bag, that'll come in handy. I'm so excited! The lighting is not as good. Oh my god, they're so pretty! It's just one of them, but oh, I love them. I've never done an unboxing or like any kind of review. This is not supposed to be a review or anything like that. Like, I'm literally just super excited about these shoes. Oh, look how pretty they are. I love them. Look at, oh, they're just so gorgeous. So I like them a lot because they don't really have laces. It's just like a sort of zip tie kind of thing. And then I like the high top kind of version. It's like, I've been wanting some of the, I think they're called the darts or something like that, but like they're kind of like a sock like shoe. And this is like the best of both worlds. Sorry, I'm so excited right now. I'm so excited right now. Like, I've been wanting these shoes for a very, very long, not these particular shoes, but I've been wanting some Vapor Maxes for such a long time. Let's put them on. Oh my god, they fit perfectly. Wow, these are definitely my new favorite shoes. I don't know if you guys can tell, I was wearing some damn moccasins before, but these bad boys, oh my goodness, they fit perfectly. Ooh, they have little, you can see my feetsies inside. Super air vented mesh on the top. These are so clean and perfect. I'm in love.
That's too much sauce. That's too much sauce.
Super, super, super quick video. Nothing ginormous and big. But my new Vapor Maxes. I love them so much, and I'm so excited to break them in at work. I'm not excited to go to work, but I'm excited to break them in at work. They fit perfectly. I think they're like a size 11. Yeah, 10 in men, and I think online it said 11 and a half in women. Yes, I got a big foot. Whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It wasn't anything serious. Like, all I did was open a damn box of shoes. But I hope you guys go buy yourself some Vapor Air Maxes. And yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. My videos are gonna get a lot more interesting. Like, who wants to see somebody just shoot shots for like 27 minutes? That's just kind of my starting point to get into filming and get into editing videos. And yeah, so like and subscribe for more. If you're new to my channel, hey, my name's Erica. I post videos every week about basketball lifestyle, health, fitness, meal prepping, training, weight training, shoes. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.
She got her hands on her knees, and she only dropping it for me.